So we have all been through times when we have felt that life has been so unfair. And I am sure you also have. There are times when we feel that the people who don't trust in Jesus as their Savior, those who don't believe in God, those who live a careless, carefree life, a life without God, seem to prosper. And that was the experience of the psalmist in Psalm 73. And this is what we read. He said in verse 3, I envied the arrogant when I saw the prosperity of the wicked. They have no struggles, their bodies are healthy and strong, they are free from the burdens common to man. They are not plagued by the human ills. So what did he mean? He meant that the people who are living a life without God, apart from God, seem to prosper, seem to be healthy and flourishing. They seem to always win. And then in verse 13 he said, surely in vain have I kept my heart pure. In vain have I washed my hands in innocence. What he meant was, I've been trying to live a good life. I've been trying to live as a believer, but it is all in vain. I've been committed to the Lord, but still it seems to be useless. That is what he felt. And that is what I am sure you have felt. I have felt it many times. That what is the use of living a committed, dedicated life? The people who are not committed to the Lord seem to flourish and win, and we who trust in God seem to be defeated, seem to be losing. But then the psalmist says in verse 16 he said, when I tried to understand all this, it was oppressive to me. Till I entered the sanctuary of God, then I understood their final destiny. What he meant was, he tried to understand the why, but he understood it only when he went to church, when he entered the sanctuary of God. So when he started seeing things from God's perspective, when he went to worship God in his temple, that is when his perspective toward life changed. That is when he understood the answer to the question that he really had. And then it changed his perspective on life. He started looking at his life and things from God's perspective. And that is what we need to do. And this is what he said. In verse 23 of Psalm 73, he said that, before that verse he said, I was senseless and ignorant, I was brute as a beast before you, yet I am always with you, you hold me by your right hand. He is praying to God. You guide me with your counsel, and afterward you will receive me to glory. Whom have I in heaven but you? And the earth has nothing to offer beside you. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. Means his perspective toward life changed. His hatred toward the wicked who prospered changed. He knew that God was with him, God was in control. And as Christians we know that he is going to reward us someday. The day of rewarding reckoning is coming. The day of end of the wicked is coming. And that is why, and that is where our thoughts, our perspectives change. When life seems so unfair. Now this is Pastor Chisart. Signing off. You can send in your comments on the address on the screen, and you can let me know how you are being encouraged and blessed. I will be glad to hear from you.